Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh. Check no cheesy YouTube imposters, haters, or trolls who use my video titles and content in their videos while sitting at the bar drinking with skeletons. All right, this is Burgh Unboxing. And I've already opened this, and I got one of these to send to Justin when the stimulus check ever comes, or the 1st of May, whichever comes first. So I already have one of these, but I don't have the other ones. So this is more additions to my paranormal collection. Rapidly getting closer and closer every time I buy books to 700 books and videos. All right, we have Silent Invasion, the current true story of one woman's encounter with aliens, Ellen Crystal, Ph.D., documented in 1,000 photographs. Ellen Crystal's hundreds of encounters with aliens and UFOs have haunted her since childhood. She must be a very busy woman. So she claims that, let's see, 2 aliens at rear triangle craft. Well, I don't see any there. Do you? You can see that or not. So who knows? And this was a Blue Light Kmart special, because this book was bought at Kmart at one time. So the Blue Light special paranormal book. All right, we have Communion, a true story. I think I already have this. I will send it to Justin on the 1st. We have We Come as Friends, Peter Michaels, true tales of positive alien encounters. They come in peace, bearing gifts of love, hope, and miracles. Here are incredible true stories from people's lives changed forever by alien encounters. Unlike many of the negative reports about visitors from outer space, these stories tell of meeting enlightened creatures of power and beauty that come to rescue us in time of need. Well, where the hell are they now with coronavirus? A plane plummets her, taking a pilot to certain death. A man stripped of his talents pauses on the brink of despair. A young couple struggles helplessly in the stormy Atlantic after their boat collapses. These people were all saved by aliens, according to this book. So there it is. The back of the book, the label doesn't want to come off. This label looks really old. Let's see how old this book is. This is 1999, so this sucker is 21 years old. All right, we have here Face to Face with the Unknown, Sherry Hansen Steiger, true stories of young people's encounters with the unexplained. And I can't read this. The line that divides fiction from fact isn't always as clear as it may seem. 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? But what if 1 plus 2 what if just once 2 plus 2 equaled 5? Hard to believe. Absolutely. For young people whose stories related here, this is exactly what happened. Each of them experienced something that could not be simply explained. For instance, two boys forced to spend the night in their car during a bad storm alone. The next morning, an eyewitness swears he saw 4 burly men inside of the car scare off a gang. But who were the men? The boys were alone all night. Another time, a teen on the way home from a date comes across strange alien forms in the road ahead. He chases after them only to discover humanoid imprints in the grass. Not even the local sheriff can explain it. Mysterious sightings, alien encounters, guardian angels, ghostly hauntings, bizarre visitations in dozens of stories teens relate real-life experiences with the unknown. So there's Face to Face with the Unknown, and this has a whole bunch of stories in it, and this is from 2000. And again with the, that's not a label, so that's okay. There you go, Sherry Steiger. And then we have finally a book I did not have, Ed Walters, Francis Walters, UFO Abductions and Gulf Breeze, the amazing true story of UFOs and the real visitors from outer space. The Terror Returns. In 1987, Ed Waters experienced a horrifying encounter with a UFO and the aliens aboard it. 1987 was not the first time the aliens abducted him. For years, he experienced terrifying encounters with aliens skilled in the manipulation of his body, mind, and soul. So there's this book, and this was published in, and there's another one, The Gulf Breeze Sightings. This was published in 1994, so this one's pretty old. And let's see when the two others were as well. Oh, and we'll do the previous one. Let me look that one up too. Okay, that one is 2001. So these are all like 20-year-old books. Silent Invasion, 1991. And finally, Communion, Whitley Strieber. This was 1987, the first edition that came out of this. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay cool and dry or warm and dry, and stay safe, people, and watch the skies, because there's not a whole lot of hell of a lot to do on the ground. Bye-bye for now.